New driver, here we go. The grenade. I'm not talking about a bomb, I'm talking about golf. The Grenade Driver. I got the old Grenade 1 driver. I've figured out how to hit it pretty well. So I splurged and got myself a couple little toys. I got the combo 4.0 Grenade Driver and 3-wood set. So I just opened it, it's packaged. Let's get this unpackaged and take a look at these real quick. Now Grenade is a brand I've never heard of, but a buddy of mine got the Grenade 2 a few years ago, so gave me his old Grenade 1. I love the thing, which is what sold me on buying these new clubs. Because I tell my friends all the time, I mean, I'm a bogey golfer. I tell my friends all the time, why are you spending $500–600 on a driver? It's a fraction of your strokes on the golf course. Spend your money on a chip or a putter. But I got these so cheap because Bombtech's running a special right now. I got both of these clubs for under $200. Here's the old one, 460 cc's, a 10.5 degree loft with a stiff flex. Now, I like the stiff flex just because of my swing speed. So I got the stiff flex. The only downside is the only stiff flex Bombtech had was the 9 degree. And so I'm gonna be hitting a 9 degree now instead of a 10.5. And the 3-wood is a 15 degree. I do like the shafts on these. I did like this green shaft on the old driver, but I kind of like this green and white. It looks pretty nice. They do come with really nice head covers. That's always good. And we're gonna get this plastic off. It's on the grip and it's on the head. So we're gonna get this off, and guess what? We're gonna test them out. We're going to the range. All right, as I mentioned here, the old club is the 1.0. These are the 4.0, Bombtech 4.0. So 4 revisions of this, and these are, they got a cavity back, like the indents here. They said that's for aerodynamics, I believe. But these are very nice looking clubs, 4.0. So we're going to take these and we're going to get off to the range. I didn't realize the 9 degree online says it's 450 cc's, but it is 460, which I believe also that is the size of the head. Don't really know, but that's what they say. Anyways, glad to see it's a 460. We're going to take these to the range, see how we can hit them. All right, we're at the range. Got the old club. We're gonna hit a couple of these just for good measure because I've been hitting this club pretty well. So let's take a couple shots and we'll see how we can do here. That was a pretty good shot, about 250. I'm not even gonna take 2 shots with this. Just gonna see what we can do with this new driver. Now, just so everybody knows, I am a bogey golfer, so I'm just pitching the clubs here, not my golfing methods. So I usually tee it up just above the crown of the club. That's where I tee it, so I'm going to keep doing the same thing here. New driver, here we go. Oh, that one peeled off to the left a little bit, but I don't know if you can see this. That's a stiff flex. That seems pretty wiggly compared to the old driver. I think the old driver's got a little stiffer flex than this new one. So I might have to try and slow down the swing a little bit. It's just only one. Hit it right there, just off the sweet spot. So we'll see how the next ball goes. That was a little to the left. Let's see where we hit it. Almost the same darn spot. We're going to line up just a little differently this time, see if we can get that sweet spot. That stayed in That's right on the sweet spot right there. That stayed in the air a long time, especially for a 9-degree, but that was about 250, just a little bit of fade. I gotta work that out, but it is a new club, so you gotta learn how to hit it. So let me try this 3-wood out, see how we feel about the 3-wood too. Actually, before I hit that, I'm gonna hit my old Cleveland 3-wood, just to make sure I got my swing down for my 3-wood. That's not too bad, that'll play. Probably 2, 2 1/4. I don't know how well you can see that ball out there in the camera, but all right. Here we go, Bombtech 3-wood, let's see. Oh yeah. A little bit of dirt there, but perfectly on the sweet spot. This club's gonna be all right. Need a little more practice with these things, but Bombtech, I think you're all right. I'm gonna enjoy these clubs. I think the stiff flex is a little less stiff than the old stiff flex, but I'd rather have a stiff flex for my swing, but I'm gonna learn how to use them here. All right, thanks for watching. Like this video, click that thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.